Hello, Agusanon! Today, as we celebrate the 124th Civil Service Commission anniversary, we would like you to join us on our Family Day. I'm Don.
And I'm Mia,
representing Nasipit District Hospital. Hello, Agusanon! Welcome to our vlog!
Naghahanap pa kaya ng affordable,
peaceful,
extra vibrant place
where you can do lots of activities with your family, friends, or co-workers?
Tara na sa Nasipit! Bakit di natin ipasin ang ganda ng sariling atin?
Kaya naman, Nasipit District Hospital goes to
La Vista Conchita Beach, where life is lovelier! Yay!
Ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong digyo ko mubuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanimo lang. Kanimo lang. Siyang langit sa mga mata ko nga nigyud kapuyon ug ang akong dughan karon ay ngalan mo lang ang sang pito nung di ko magduha-duha og tikang kung mahulog kaandam kung mahulog uban di sana sa tadadon nining panahon. Ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong digyo ko mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanimo lang.
Enjoy sa tanan and apil ko po ani mga hero-hero o manicure-pedicure para relax kay comparing na lang ito ma-maximize ani kay Ronald man.
Ginagiban, luyo nining tanan o kung may klaro man ang kalibutan di ko magduha-duha o tikang kung mahulog kaandam kung mahulog uban sana sa tadadon nining panahon. Ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong digyo ko
Also say thank you for those who deserve our thank you.
kanimo lang. Ipanumpa kong ditikabian. Ipanumpa kong
La Vista Conchita Beach offers boating, camping, and even playing volleyball or just chilling out in their cozy bamboo open cottages. This is also a perfect place to hold events like birthday, anniversary, reunions, and family day as they have a very spacious area for such. And if you are planning for overnight, they also have room rentals of different sizes where your whole family, friends, or workmates could comfortably fit, not to mention its competitive rates. If you're driving from Cagayan de Oro Road, you may turn left. And if you're driving from the Tuan Road, you may turn right. La Vista Conchita Beach is located at District 2, Barangay Atatajon, Nasipit, Agusan del Norte. For more inquiries, you can visit their page. Kaya naman, tara na sa La Vista Conchita Beach, where life is livelier.
Layong bayang, layong bayang, layong bayang,